Hi everyone, Tristan here from Machine Control Australia. Welcome to an MCA tutorial on navigating the Make in 3D display. In today's video, we'll guide you through all the icons and information displayed on the main DID screen, starting from the top and working our way down. Let's get to it. Let's go up to the top bar. Up the top here, we have connectivity. If that symbol is white, we have connection to the internet, and if it is grey, you have no internet connection. The next one is our GNSS icon. If you click that icon, it will show you information such as how many satellites you're connected to and your accuracy. You come across to the little target here. This target will bring your machine back to the center of the 3D screen. So for example, if we lose the machine off screen here, like so, and you can't see your machine anymore, you go up to your target, click your target, brings your machine back to your 3D view. Lastly, on the top bar, we have our display layouts. If we click display layouts, it gives you options for different screens. You might want to use this if you're doing a certain particular job where you want to concentrate on something differently. So let's say if we change to this one here in the middle. Here we can now see our section view and our profile view have much larger information, easier to see when we're focusing on those tasks. Now if we switch back to the other display, if we come down to the cube, this cube indicates that we're in 3D view. Now if we change by clicking on the cube, you'll notice it changes to a square and it's now giving us a 2D view and a bird's eye view. To the left, we have our current reference coordinates, our northing coordinates, our easting coordinates, and our elevation. The northing, easting, and elevation reference tip is visible as a green line in the cross-section view. As you can see at the moment, our reference tip is the center of the bucket. The top window here is the profile view. It highlights the vertical deviation of the surface or the line below the reference tip. The arrow indicates the distance to surface, and the percentage down here shows the surface angle. Okay? In this case, we have the blue line here showing a batter. And over here on our 3D view, it corresponds with this blue line that runs up here, and there's your batter there. Now moving to our section view on this side here, this displays the horizontal difference to side reference. The arrow here also points in the direction and the distance to the line, with the arrow changing color to indicate proximity to the target you're steering towards. This is represented by the aqua line on your 3D screen. So we have a look over here, we can see the aqua line there, that's the line you're steering to currently. In addition, the angle of the surface is also shown over here, conveniently in red, and we can see that matches on the main screen in your 3D view. If we look in the 2D view, or bird's eye view, the orientation becomes very straightforward. The blue line indicates the direction the machine is facing, while the red line indicates the direction your attachment is facing. This clarity greatly simplifies aligning or squaring up with lines and other references. Okay, so moving on, up here on the left and right hand side in the middle of the screen here, these numbers are showing the height deviation to surface of the line on the left hand tip and the right hand tip of your bucket. Moving down, we have our current line reference. So that is the reference that these two height and vertical distances are coming back to. You can see the name of each line there. So height is coming back to 6.1 overflate, and the side reference is coming from 4.2 overflate. Next, we have our current project offset. Come down the bottom here, we've got our layers or references icon. This will bring up your layers and references. We've got our bucket icon. It displays what bucket is attached at the moment, and if you click on this, it will give you the options for your buckets. The next one here is our point icon. It shows the current point code, and if you tap on it, it will log a point that will be saved with your as-built data. Lastly, on the far right, we have our main menu icon, also referred to as the Rubik's Cube. Thank you for watching. We hope this video gives you a better understanding on navigating the Making 3D display. Please like and subscribe to see future MCA tutorials.